When your brand scales, manufacturing can't be a bottleneck. You need a partner built for quality, compliance and consistency, batch after batch.
CL Cosmetic Industries Sendirian Berhad is a Malaysia-based cosmetics manufacturer listed in NPRA's QUEST system, recognized for complying with cosmetic GMP requirements aligned to ASEAN GMP guidelines.
Compliance isn't a claim, it's documented. From GMP standards to halal readiness for Muslim markets, CL Cosmetic Industries backs quality with certification and audit-ready documentation. On screen are the current certificates, scope, and validity dates.
For corporate brands, it's not just about making products, it's about managing risk too. CL Cosmetic Industries supports structured manufacturing practices and the documentation ecosystem expected in regulated cosmetics, so your team can move faster with fewer surprises.
CL Cosmetic Industries has been selected as an OEM manufacturer by established skincare businesses, including a Malaysia-listed aesthetic healthcare group's skincare lines, where GMP certification issued by NPRA is explicitly referenced in public disclosures.
If you're ready to build or scale a skincare or cosmetics line with a manufacturer that prioritizes compliance, quality systems, and halal market fit, talk to CL Cosmetic Industries Sendirian Berhad.
CL Cosmetic Industries, contact us now.
Let's scope your product roadmap and manufacturing requirement.